Hello everybody and welcome back to Try New Things, where today we're going to do something a little bit different. Madison here's got another project for me. Tell them what you want us to build today.
It's going to be a crescent moon cradle bed that is for my pet cat, Ralphie.
Ralphie, is he really our pet cat?
Definitely.
He's a stray cat that lives in our garage, but we love him just the same. So hang in there, we're going to build a crescent-shaped cat bed. And I'm going to throw up a picture on the screen of what our inspiration is. Ours is going to look a little bit different.
Yep.
But at least that gives us an idea of what we're going to build. So hang in there, we'll get started.
Hopefully he approves.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up. How do you think it went?
I think it went better than expected, really.
It did turn out okay. So 5 hours worth of work between the two of us, so that's 10 hours of labor, and we managed to put together a cat bed that looks something like a moon and something like the photo we showed you at the beginning. So hang in there. We're gonna wrap this up with a little video clip of Ralphie
Enjoying his bed.
Hopefully enjoying his bed.
Fingers crossed.
So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.
You like your new bed, Ralphie? I don't know if it's focused.
Just focusing on my face.
It is. It likes you better.
You're blurry. Never got rid of Madison's project #1 yet.
No, number one priority. Hey, we're on opposite sides.
No, we gotta switch. Yeah.
Okay.